What's up, guys? Been a while since I did a car meet video, but basically Big Turbo ST is still getting tuned on 91 on my 8th revision right now, going to a dichotomy meet. Let's get straight into it. So I just got here right now. Looks like a good amount of people are showing up, but I met this guy at the last meet and it looks like he has a ST as well. I guess he's trying to get a good amount of us together to show up. So
They're still stuck on the nobody's closing.
yeah, I know I keep recording from the same fucking angle, but this meet's getting pretty packed, so it's pretty dope. I need to go walk around and see what's up. Good thing there's a good amount of STs, not just mine. There's 2 more that show up, but I gotta go find them. But got a bunch of Subis, another Subi, bunch of classic cars. Got some motors popped open, Audis. Sheesh. Some more trucks coming in. I found Jacob with his Annabelle ST. He's got the suicide doors. Damn. Bunch of vendors. Got a lot of queues lined up. Sheesh. Found a GTI with a carbon fiber hood. Looks dope. Damn, this fucking Evo looks sick, dude. With a Veloster. Got the G. This Camaro is loud. Sounds good. It smells like 85 when it's on, but this was pretty sick. Sick and quick. Looks like on the other side of the car meet, they're expanding over here. Found some more nice cars. Can hear the turbo on that thing. Damn, I love the color on that Type R right there. The wide body Jenny. It's an Evo. Got the Vet leaving.